In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar account to Notion Calendar. To get started, open the Notion Calendar app on your computer or go to the Notion Calendar website in Chrome. If you're using the browser version, make sure the page is fully loaded before moving on so all of the menu options appear correctly. This process is quick, but it helps to go step by step so nothing gets missed. Once you're inside Notion Calendar, look toward the interface for the settings option, which is represented by a gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where Notion Calendar lets you manage preferences, connected services, and account-related options. If you're new to the app, this area can be useful later for customizing how your calendar looks and behaves. But for now, we're focusing specifically on connecting Google Calendar. After the settings menu opens, find and click Profiles and Accounts. This section is where linked accounts are managed, including any calendar services you want to use within Notion Calendar. Opening this area gives you access to the account connection options you need. In Profiles and Accounts, look for the option that says Add Google Calendar Account, then click it. This begins the process of linking your Google Calendar to Notion Calendar. From there, follow the on-screen prompts that appear. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign in to your Google account and approve the necessary permissions so Notion Calendar can display and work with your calendars. Be sure to read those prompts carefully and confirm the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one Google account in Chrome. Once the account is connected, your Google Calendar should begin appearing inside Notion Calendar. If you don't see it immediately, give it a few moments to sync or refresh the app if needed. In some cases, signing into the correct browser profile first can make the connection smoother. And that's it. You've opened Notion Calendar, gone into Settings, selected Profiles and Accounts, and added your Google Calendar account. After this, you can start viewing your schedules in one place and make better use of Notion Calendar's planning features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.